Hello. Today we're going to talk a little bit about garlic since I'm going to be chopping garlic, so I thought this would be a perfect time. So we have garlic. I want to show you real quickly. First, if you want whole garlic, there's a trick to how to peel a garlic. You basically grab it, you squeeze the top and the bottom, like so. And as you can see, the skin will actually just open up, and then you can peel, or you can just peel off the skin. So that is how to peel whole garlic. But most of the time, we're going to be looking at how to mince or slice garlic. So in garlic, there's the little tip, and then there's the part we want to cut off on the bottom, which is the side facing the root. And so we just want to cut it off and throw it away. So in our last video, we talked about precision cutting using the front third of the knife. And so here, we're going to go ahead and slice up some garlic. And so we want thin garlic slices. Let me take my watch off real quick. And we want thin garlic slices. Here we go. Let me see if I can get this on camera. So we have thin garlic slices, and that's how you slice garlic, right? And we're using the front of the knife, like I said, just so we can have precision control. Now, I process, as you can see, this is what I'm going to be chopping today. I process a lot of garlic. If you're Asian or you do any Asian cooking, you're going to go through a lot of garlic in your lifetime. So we're going to go ahead and speed through garlic, and we're going to show you how to never buy, I can't even believe they sell it, but never buy jarred garlic. So with your knife, business end on the cutting board, so you don't cut yourself, we're going to go ahead and slap it a little bit, and the skin should not. Go ahead and whack it a couple of times, and the skin should come off. All right, grab it by the little tail, and off it comes. So we can go ahead and remove the little not so tasty part. And this is what I like to do, and I'll show you both versions. The fiber of the garlic runs this way. So we're going to line up like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to, it's a combo move, right? We're going to slap and scoot. Slap and scoot at the same time, okay? So line it up, grains facing sideways. We're going to go ahead and slap and scoot. And the majority of the mincing should be done by this move. So once more, slap, scoot, okay? And take a look. The majority of the garlic actually is already minced. If you wanted to, you can give it a once over, but there's really no need to. All right. So if you process a lot of garlic and you're sitting there chopping, you're going to chop for a long time. So we're going to go ahead and light tap. Go ahead, and I will do 2 of them this time. Let me see. So we're going to go ahead and remove the skin. Remove the skin, cut the tail off, right. Slap and scoot. Okay, you can give it a once over if you want a little bit thinner. And we'll go ahead and do it one more time, right. Knife, slap, and scoot. Give it a once over if you wanted to. I will go ahead and do it one more demonstration. I'll do it the Martin Yen style. Let me see if we can find a big one. Here we go. Well, good. Let's see if I can. Fairly whole. I'll not be able to do a Martin Yen style. I will try. So Martin Yen does it vertically, which I will show you. Martin Yen usually does it vertically. He stands the garlic up. and just smashes. All right, so we can just go ahead, and so we're going to go ahead and process those. You're keeping count, I don't know, 6 or 7 garlics. We'll just finish out the rest of the garlic. I'm making Thai basil garlic dish tonight for dinner. All right, we're going to go ahead and remove that. Cut out the little tails. Don't eat those. All right, remove the tail. All right. And that is 7 garlics processed. Thank you.